Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Groupon how to request refund. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to request a refund on Groupon, the first thing that you need to do is simply head over and open up your Groupon application or open up Groupon on your website and simply log into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on this My Stuff icon right here on the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you're inside there, on the top you'll find the option that says My Groupons right here. Simply select that. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply open the order, simply click on the Groupon that you have purchased, and then once that, what you need to do is look for refund, cancel order or request refund option. Then simply choose the refund type from Groupon box, which is store credit, which is usually instant, and original payment method, which takes a few business days. Then once you have confirmed your choice, what you need to do is check confirmation. Once done, you'll receive an email confirming the refund. Card or PayPal refunds usually takes 3 to 10 business days. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.